little more speed up. Yeah, you got Keith working that gap over there. Got to keep an eye on him. That guy just caught so many fish. I think he's won salmon Rama maybe twice. Just a stellar fisherman out of Milwaukee. I actually bought my first kayak from him. He's sponsored by Native Watercraft. So he's riding that Slayer Propel. It's similar to this Mirage drive. So I've got a Hobie Mirage drive here, so I just pump my feet. He's got a system to where it's more like a recumbent bicycle. And so he pedals there, and it's got a propeller behind it that goes. Israel Dunn's also on one of those. Got her turned around. I like the action I've got here. Running the baits that I have confidence in. So hopefully we can get some action. The next step is nailing the speed. Feel bad for you guys. Oh, Super Dags, check that out. What are you guys doing awake? It's 6:30 on a Saturday. Here, fishy, fishy. Here, fishy, fishy. You might want to slow down. There's a lot of current coming through here. You can see that rod tip is bouncing pretty hard. I'm only going about 2 miles an hour, and there are fish down here. I mean, they're there. They normally show up as a solid arc, but since I'm going up and down in the water, it does that wavy thing you see there. So electronics help out a lot. I really can tell you as far as where everything's at. Man, that's got to be a bait ball. That's got to be fish eating bait right there. You see that solid center in there? Yep, there's more bait there. You got fish working underneath them. And it's got to happen. They've got to wake up and eat breakfast at some point. Big old stacks right here too. Alright, tofu more. Saying good luck. Nice shoes, Marcel says. I appreciate it. These are some New Balances. Minimus. Great because they dry easily when you get wet. Come on, here, fishy, fishy. Got more pods of bait here. Wonder if they want me to slow down a little. Big action out of that reef runner. I tell you, that sucker is jiggling over there. There's no way Gilhar's got a fish on. No. He is going ultra slow. You gotta keep an eye on these guys. Gotta give it to Randall. He's out there. He's a mile out now. That's the furthest he's ever been. We got about 1 to 2 foot rollers here. I don't know if it's easy to tell. But they're slow rollers. This is nothing to be concerned about with these kayaks. Alright, we're going to give this guy feed a little more line out. Don't get excited, it's not a fish. Somebody else think it is though. Ooh. Gotta check these drags, make sure they're tight enough, get enough pressure on that fish, but not so tight that you're gonna get worked. There we go, that's about right. Hope that's a Dodgers hat. You know it is, the blank. It's my lucky hat lately. Been wearing this, been catching fish. Also didn't clean the kayak yet, so I still got salmon blood and stuff all over it. Randall's disgusted by it. He thinks his kayak is supposed to be like a car ready for a car show every time. Alright, Tofu, have a good day out there fishing. Land them. I haven't heard a bunch of other chatter out on the radio. I don't know if that's because people are being quiet. I don't know if that's because fish are on. But alright, it says I'm full of storage, so I'm going to have to shut it down for a minute. If I get fish, I'll be sure to make sure to jump on here and get some photos up and stuff like that. You guys enjoy the rest of your day. Alright, we got ourselves a little bit of rain happening. And I think what I see here is a mud line forming, so I'm going to work this mud line. Well, we're going to get a little wet today. I brought some wet weather gear, but I really don't feel like putting it on. Yep, if you can see ahead of me, you'll see this mud line kind of forming up right there. Mother. God damn it. So much for that. When I picked the one that doesn't have the fucking hood. Look at the fucking marshmallow man. Don't know if you can tell, but it's raining. Had to throw on my banana suit. But we're still out here. Problem is that I kind of got to pee. Well, that coffee and Monster Energy drink this morning is just really getting it going. There's been fish caught. I caught that little 12-incher probably, but I threw it back just because there's really no food quality in it, and I really don't want to kill that fish just because of the tournament. So if I end up losing anything because of that 12-inch fish, I won't be mad about it at all. I think I might push out to about 30 feet of water. I have no idea how fast it drops off here.